today's little jobby that I've been given is one that I kind of like the route up. So I've left the yard, which is near Pontefract, and I'm on my way to Worksop DHL to pick a collection that's got 2 deliveries for tomorrow. First one being Stranraer, which is close to Scotland. For those that don't know, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then tip that, and then over to Livingston, which is still Scotland, in the middle of Glasgow and Edinburgh, so it's not too far. They're not too far apart. So yeah, the route up. First bit's a bit of a pain, the A1. But as soon as you come off the A1, going across the A66, I like going across there. Nice scenery, roads are pretty quiet pretty much all the time. And then hit the M6 for a little bit, which is the quiet part of the M6, not the nasty part around Birmingham that way and a little bit further north. Yeah, then obviously the M6 and then the M74. Nice little route that. Nice scenery, nice and quiet. So yeah, that's my little jobby for today. Probably end up an hour or so from Stranraer tonight, because what time are we on now? 11:15. Got to be in Worksop for 12. I'm going to be there for 11:30, 15 minutes away. By the time I've got loaded up, paperwork, blah blah blah, get on my way, I'll probably get parked up about an hour away from Stranraer, about 5-6 o'clock maybe, traffic being alright, and then I'll go for my little nightly walk that I do, minimum 10k, just to get a few steps in, keep fit. So yeah, that's my little jobby for today. Do them deliveries in the morning, and then I have no idea what I'm doing once I've tipped, but I'll either find that out tonight before the office staff go home, or I'll find it out tomorrow morning. But yeah, not a bad little run. I like these little runs. Did 2 of them last week. Don't mind them. Keeps me away for a bit, keeps me quiet, keeps me out of trouble, kind of. Arrived at DHL. There's 2 sites on either road, and I always end up at the wrong one. So I went to the first one first, and they said, "Oh, come across the road." So I've got to go between bays 26 and 34. See which one's the better looking one. They're not free. There's only one free. So that's it. 33. There's only one free anyway. Yeah, they're normally quite quick here, so hopefully I can get on my way. Gone. loaded and on my way. But remember when I said, yeah, they're normally pretty quick here. Oh yeah, jinxed myself, didn't I? 3 hours. Just under 3 hours to get loaded. Don't normally take that long. Yeah, I think I'll keep my mouth shut next time. So yeah, anyway, time to make a move. Let's get up this A1 and across the 66. Still, what time are we on now? Nearly 3 o'clock. So I don't know where I'm going to end up tonight. We'll see. But it will not be a services because I don't stop at services. So it will be a truck stop. It will either Penrith or what's it called? I'll tell you now. Penrith or Fechan truck stop. So it'll be either one of them. So yeah, I'm going to enjoy the drive and I'll see you later. So, because DHL took nearly 3 hours to get me loaded, I've not got as far as I would like to have got. So I'm currently at Penrith truck stop. Is it A.W. Jenkins' place? I'm hoping there's going to be a spot here. It's touching 6:30 now. As most truck drivers know, these places get pretty full pretty quick. Especially from 6 o'clock onwards. Let's get a ticket out. Oh, is it?
Are you staying the night, or break?
Staying the night, mate.
Back row.
Sorry?
Back row. Can you go in the back row, please?
Oh, but sorry, I think what I said. Yeah.
Let's bring the shop for you.
Yeah, no worries, mate. Cheers. But that's not what he was saying. So it looks like there is a few spaces, which is good. It's safe, it's secure, and I have got a load on that most people would want to rob. So it is not worth the risk in parking up anywhere that's not secure.